Welcome back. इस हफ्ते की big release Agent Vinod is touted as India's answer to Hollywood's Bond films. But does India really have a ready market for the onslaught of Hollywood-style spy thrillers? To discuss, I have Agent Vinod के director Sriram Raghavan और Saif के business partner Dinesh Vijan. Welcome to the show, gentlemen.
Pleasure being here.
Thank you.
So congratulations both of you. Finally the movie is ready. काफी time से सुनने में आया है about Agent Vinod. So let's set the record straight. How many years of shooting?
Not years. We started shooting the film in July and we're releasing in March. So it's taken about 20-21 months to make, and I think an action film takes that long to make. So I don't think it's taken longer than it should.
Action, comedy, romance, all these genres are very well accepted in Bollywood. लेकिन thriller, that too a spy thriller, हमने देखा नहीं है Bollywood में. So how come the idea came about?
It's an action adventure.
हाँ काफी मतलब almost 20 साल से there has not been a successful good spy thriller in the Hindi movies, you know. But पहले
ऐसा क्यों लेकिन?
नहीं, I think it's inexplicable actually, because late 60s में मतलब धर्मेंद्र की आंखें थी, चरस थी, these are all 50, I mean golden jubilee kind of hits, you know. And so there was a time when Suraksha was there, the old Agent Vinod was there. These are all successful movies.
But do you think there's a available market in India for a Bond kind of
It's always been like this, as the films you mentioned with Suraksha, and there was
All these are
Gunmaster
big
G9.
successful movies. There were also movies that didn't do well, but that's probably because of
Even
the movie.
the original Agent Vinod, which was made by the Rajneeshs, was a very successful film at that
Was
time.
it?
Yeah. I've seen it as a kid. It ran for 50 weeks in Pune, where I was staying.
Okay. Well, हमने यही question Kareena से भी पूछा है. So let's listen into what she has to say.
I don't know. I think that obviously everybody is just looking forward to like song and dance and entertainment of any form. But I think there has been, this is the real spy genre. This is that kind of thing. And I hope that people take to this movie so we can make more spy thrillers, because I think, you know, people after a point do get bored of the boring love stories. I mean, we have to do everything. I mean, like I have to do the love stories, but I also, you know, have to mix up the whole thing. You have to do different kind of roles, and that's why we have to give different kind of movies to the audience. But this is more like they see it.
Getting back to why we haven't seen a spy thriller in the longest time, Saif ने recently एक interview में कहा है that he wants to make 5 Agent Vinods. So this spy thriller is one genre जिसके आप काफी franchise बना सकते हो. It's a ready-made formula. So still we haven't seen.
I think the title Agent Vinod lends itself very naturally to a sequel or a franchise. But I think right now the focus is to make Agent Vinod correctly.
Yeah.
And obviously the way we have planned it and the way we've conceptualized is, it is, if it's successful, obviously, to go and make a sequel and build a franchise out of it. Let's hope for the best.
What is the director?
No, the other thing is, you know, I think because even I met the actor of the earlier film, and he was saying that film was, I asked him, that film was very successful, why didn't you all make more? It is just a very expensive kind of film to make, you know, because there's so many, see, audience today, हमारी Hindi audience मतलब Bond दिखती है, it's dubbed in Tamil and Hindi and everything, so everybody knows those movies.
Yeah.
They know the action, they are waiting for that kind of a thing from our movies also.
Exactly.
The budget of a Bond film is, if you look at our budget, the budget of a Bond film, the last one is about 1,000 crores, you know. So now my job and our job actually to kind of come together and make a film which looks like a Bond film, gives the excitement of a Bond film with our kind of resources, and we have spent a lot of money on this movie. Personally, I would like Daniel Craig to see the movie. Let's see, I don't know if I can.
Yeah, now you can tweet him, no? It's so much easier to let them know and just reach out to them. So now when we talk about thrillers in India, काफी thrillers बनती हैं. Abbas Mistan, for example, are known for their thrillers, but most of the stories are rip-offs of Hollywood. So why do you think कि हम इंडिया में एक ओरिजिनल अच्छी थ्रिलर स्टोरी नहीं बना पाते हैं?
आप अभी
आपकी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, but
difficult to answer that then. No?
But you've been in the industry, you've seen what's
No, I
come.
think that you've touched upon a topic which is, I believe we do not, what we don't encourage is writing. You know, writing as a profession in Hollywood is a very profitable profession, and they don't want to be directors, they sit and write. I don't think we value writing as much, so we don't invest in that much, and writers don't get paid that much in our country. So, and this mindset is breaking now. So I think it comes at the core that we don't give like the writer gets his name just before the director in Hollywood. He has as much respect, and his pay packages are as much as directors almost.
Last, I think, couple of months and this next few months, I mean, there's Kahani is a thriller, and Talash is going to come. So there are, I think, little more coming. So we are more than a thriller. We are like an action. It's a bigger scale kind of a movie, even for me. You know, I mean, for me, though, definitely 10 times the budget of my earlier films.
Also, now talking about budget, so is it true that it went over budget?
The thing is, we've been sensible in terms of how we've shot this film. We went to Riga in Eastern Europe, where our rupee goes further. We went to Morocco, where the value for the Indian rupee and the cost per day was much lower than any, and the location was somewhere where no one had gone before. Then when we went to St. Petersburg and we went to, in Russia and we went to London, we went with a 19-member team. So what we've been able to do is, as we said, we took time to plan schedules, but we went in and executed it in the most cost-efficient manner. And so we've been able to achieve a film for, let's say, 100, which looks 150, 200. I'm just giving a...
Right. So what is the rough budget of your movie?
It's 50 crores plus marketing.
All right, but thank you so very much and wish you all the best for
Thank you very
Agent
much.
Manoj.
Thank you.
Thank you.